Hello, students. It's me, teacher Risa. So today, let's learn a new topic, all right? Our new topic is about wild animals. Wild animals. This is it in Thai. Wild animals. What are the wild animals? Let's proceed to our vocabulary. Snake. Snake. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Kangaroo. K-A-N-J. Sorry, G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile. Hippo. H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. Great. Let's proceed to our question. What is it? It is a snake. It is a snake. What is it? It is a monkey. It is a monkey. What is it? It is a lion. It is a lion. What is it? It is a tiger. It is a tiger. What is it? It is an elephant. We will use an for elephant. It is an elephant. What is it? It is a giraffe. It is a giraffe. Great. What is it? It is a kangaroo. It is a kangaroo. What is it? It is a bear. It is a bear. What is it? It is a crocodile. It is a crocodile. What is it? It is a hippo. It is a hippo. Great job, bottom one. That's it for today. Hope to see you again next time. Goodbye.